Congressional Democrats are continuing to hold town hall meetings trying to convince skeptical Americans to support the president's health care plans. Among those is Senator Claire McCaskill of Missouri. Brianna Keeler, traveling with the senator, has our report.
Poplar Bluff in southeastern Missouri. It's rural communities like this one where Democrats are trying to win the health care debate. And as Senator Claire McCaskill is well aware, it's a tough crowd.
This is more about taking power and control than it is about health care. Because health care is only the It's only the first step to socialism.
While McCaskill's town hall meeting in Poplar Bluff threatened to boil over at times,
why are they sitting up here in front calling us names?
50 miles southeast in Kennett, another smaller meeting was downright civil. One audience member, a critic of Democrats' health care reform efforts, asked McCaskill what she makes of the recent rowdiness at health care events. She was empathetic.
I think it was a huge mistake for anyone to suggest that anybody who's opposed to the health care plan is manufactured. It's not manufactured now. I think both sides are organizing, but that's what we do in a democracy.
As McCaskill tried to disarm critics of the Democrats' proposal for a government-run insurance plan that she supports, she was also quick to rebuff conservative claims that it would limit care for seniors and fund abortions.
There is nothing in the bill that mandates any kind of abortion coverage. That's just simply not true.
Or that it's a government takeover of health care.
I can tell you Congress is not going to pass a single-payer plan.
And McCaskill pointed a finger at insurance companies.
In 2007, they made $12.9 billion in profits. So we've got to do something about health insurance reform. If you get really sick and lose your job, they have the right to say we're not going to give you insurance.
And that's a key talking point for Democrats, painting the insurance companies as the bad guys here. This is something that Democratic leaders in the House and Senate really urge congressional Democrats to hit hard on during this critical month for health care reform while they're away from Washington. And meantime, Lou, we also want to tell you that Senator McCaskill was supposed to have another event near St. Louis tomorrow, a town hall event. It was supposed to happen at a high school, and citing security concerns, that high school decided to cancel that event, Lou.
Yeah, that's the second time that Senator McCaskill has had an event canceled by the school that was going to be hosting the event. It's important to point out that Senator McCaskill has declared she's going to have these town hall meetings, despite what many in her party and her leadership are saying. No matter what, she is, as they say, she's not only talking the talk, she's walking the walk when it comes to representation, isn't she?
Well, I have to tell you that today, when you were in this room just a few feet from me here in Poplar Bluff, you really got the sense that this group, this audience, was kind of skating on a razor's edge, and it could boil over at any moment, Lou. But Senator McCaskill, towards the end of this debate here, this meeting, she said this is what she loves about being a lawmaker. This is why she signed up, and this is the democratic process, and she said she's going to keep on doing it.